Where we at?
We're at the Wooded 19.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. We're gonna come down here and do some brush cleanup.
Maybe move that tree back there by the gate.
Yeah, the tree that's fell, we gotta cut it.
For sure that.
I know what we're doing. I'm just fooling around. Anyway.
Look at the pretty colors.
Yeah. Yeah, the trees are really starting to show some color.
We were afraid that we wouldn't get much color because we'd had such drought, but we had rain, I guess, in the last 7 days or so, and
yeah, quite a bit.
Quite a few leaves had fallen prior to that, but things are looking a little bit brighter now, so hoping for a somewhat pretty fall.
All right, we're gonna go see what we can get into. Trying to keep them getting hurt.
Okay, we made it back here to the back where the gate is and that tree that's fallen across the road. And that cool looking creature made from branches that's standing there just daring us to take it down. But that's our goal for the day. So, getting ready to unload our stuff and see how quickly we can take it down.
Yeah, he's definitely holding it up.
Okay. Here we are mapping out a plan on how to best to cut the creature down. There's one tall tree right there that's holding it. You can see right up here how the creature tree is on the back side of it. And then there is this tree here that is holding it, also bracing it. So we think we're going to cut that tree over here first, maybe take the Jeep and pull it out because we didn't want everything to fall all at one time off of that tree because just a little bit maybe is back there, but we'll have to cut that tree too eventually. And then there's this tree right there. You can barely see it, but that's where it fell out of that branch fell out of the tree. So Daryl's going to give it a shot and cut that. You ready? Okay, it's going to cut that small tree and it's going to fall toward me, I'm pretty sure, so I'm going to get out of the way a bit. Well, I'll be. I moved where I didn't think it was going to fall and it fell right where I was standing.
You almost in the way.
That is just crazy. That's just crazy.
Well, it was leaning that way to start with.
Okay.
That's why it fell that way.
Okay.
So I'm going to trim some limbs off of this and try to get it out of the way where it won't be all bundled up with that.
So that worked out well. Turning into some manageable pieces to move. All right, so gonna get my gloves on or something and help move the tree out of the way. And you'll notice we have our orange on, and that's because it's hunting season here, and we want to be sure that we can be seen if there's any hunters out and about, because our property line is right beyond that gate there, and somebody could be over there hunting.
We're not hunting, but somebody else might be.
That's right, we're not hunting, but somebody else might be.
Now I'm going to tie the winch onto the creature and see if I can pull him down. Down goes the creature, hopefully. Oh, we're moving the Jeep. We did break his leg.
Yeah. Down she comes, finally.
Creature didn't want to come down.
Nope, them legs were holding it up pretty good.
Well, there's the after.
The creature is gone.
Yeah. His mother or whatever that he broke out of the top of there, she's still there. We'll leave her. I don't think she's going to fall for a while. Those bigger pieces, we're going to just leave them. When I'm down here with the tractor and the grapple, I can pick those up. A lot easier than carrying them. So, how about some lunch?
I'm up for that, yeah.
Okay, we're going to eat some lunch and then we got another job or two to take care of. Lunchtime. This is our table, the hood of the Jeep. Alright, so we're going to get some lunch. Be back later. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. And we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks.